Miss Ara, will you be in Bangkok po since day one?
Yes, I would be there. But I don't know when I will be flying, but
Sino po yung nakikita niyong close competition of Philippines sa season?
ay, oh my God. Alam mo, before, may mga girls na would stalk me. Siguro ngayon, dahil ikaw na yung nandito. Parang I don't care about the girls. I really focus on Atisa. Parang I don't think about na parang, kalaban niya to, ganyan. Doon kasi, mas nafe-feel ko if I see them in person. Kasi sa photo, hindi ako masyado nagre-rely eh. Kasi like, coming from my experience, these girls na akala ko on photo are like my competition. So iba pala yung mga in person na. So I'll wait till I see them in person.
Did you get to have, parang early meeting of national directors? Nagkaroon na po ba kayo?
Actually, wala pa. Yeah, I think this is gonna all happen na on the whole schedule for MU.
Yes. Your advice lang po, your one advice for Atisa.
Be confident. Like, literally, lahat nung galaw mo, yung talagang sure ka ito. Be sharp and confident.
Miss Ara, last na lang po, kasi lately, naging controversial yung choice of gown for prelims and the evening gown. What is the process po as a national director in selecting the dress for the girl?
Well, actually, I'm very thankful kasi we have designers na talaga all-out support sa mga candidates natin, especially for Miss Universe Philippines. It's a very, I would say, mahirap din eh. Kasi it's a collaborative. Siyempre si designer may gusto, si candidate may gusto, si org may gusto. So as much as possible, you want those group na masatisfy sa gusto, right? Pero at the end of the day kasi, saan si candidate masaya maglakad? Saan niya yung tingin na she would shine? Kasi kahit pagsuotin mo yun ang feeling mo, ito maganda ganyan. Pero kung sa sarili niya, hindi naman siya masaya, that would really brings out that kind of aura on stage and we don't want that. So, alam mo yung kung saan masaya si Atisa, confident siya, at dito siya maganda, mararampa niya to ng maayos, maa-aura niya to. And then, that's the decision. That's how we came out.
So, nagkasundo naman na po kayo?
Yes.
Very
Everybody
much.
happy and then...
Wow! Sige po.
Yeah.
Thank you po.